Tonight, I protect my peace. Who's protecting theirs?
Or maybe tonight she lets someone in.
Let the story begin.
She walks in like silence, owns a room. No need for diamonds, she already blew.
He just wanna know my name in this game, but he looks at me like I'm just the same.
Hey baby, Harry.
Ooh, hey, he acts so easy, like pieces cheap. I paid for this calm, I earned this sleep. Why tonight? Why me to disturb my peace and sanity? My balance, my mind, my quiet space. Tell me, handsome stranger, why this change? For a chance to try, yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby,
How? Tell me how? Like the rest who disappear somehow. Tonight, help me, like everyone who swore they'd stay with me. Same sweet line, same history, different face, same category. Not a charity anymore.
I fix hearts, don't walk out that door.
No more men with unhealed minds, looking for sheets, not lifetime.
I'm not asking for your body.
Then come with intentions, not hobbies.
She's not hard to get, she's hard to deserve.
Peace took years, I got every nerve.
I just wanna learn your world.
Come healed, come real, come sure tonight. I'm not chasing a thrill, bring something right. I disturb my peace,
But I'll stay
with grace.
I'm not running, I'm not hiding.
I'm just uncompromising. I'm not difficult, I'm just finally calm.
Then maybe I'll learn how to arrive right.